Dunce. Such a useful day. I have lots of friends. Now I get to play a lot from today. That is such a useful day. What you are a useful day. Let's go and see them. What is the really in the special day? In a useful special day. You remember that? Yes, I remember that. Dunces have brains. Dunces don't have brains. Oh, I have a brain and you also have a brain? My brain is already pumped in some energy inside of the glass and wheels. Definitely not worst yet. Definitely not worst. I noticed that. Bonehead, you're such a stupid person at the world. I'm not a person. I am a bean. You remember that? It's Tweety Bean, like a dumb place to die bean. Like dumb place to die in real. Yes, dumb place to die. No, I said dumb place to die in real. I said dumb place to die! Is it dumb way? Is it some wait to die? Is it? Yes, I know, but my body is color green. I know how to use like that. Your body is already color green. Now let's go name our team. I need to switch teams. See you later, you guys. No, you are my alliance. No. I really want Dunce on my team. But wait a second. Dunce is not having teams. Yes, I am. I am not having teams. Okay, for a second. What's that noise? Oh, yeah. It's a car sending. Ah! Oh, Dimwit, what are you holding? I am holding a yoyolecake. It's not yoyolecake. It's yoyolecake. You remember the L and the E going to come in the end. Oh yeah, I remember that. Is it yoyolecake? Not yoyolecake. It's yoyolecake. Oh, is it yoyolecake? No, not yoyolecake with the O sound. With your tongue sticking off and your teeth makes a L sound. You remember that? Start with yo-yo and then you stick your tongue into your teeth and then you make a L sound and then you have yoyolecake. Does it sound right? Yes, it sounds right. But which letter is it comes in the end? It's O. You remember that? The L shape of them. Oh yeah. Yo-yo-cake. Oh yeah. Trying to eat it. Okay. Wait. I immune to metal because this time the black color is a little bit more darker, but metal is just a little bit more lighter. Oh yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you don't miss anyone. Goodbye!